Is this thing going? Testing, testing. Hey y'all, it's your girl Khalid Danielle. I'm back with just a little update of what's been going on with me. Well, I've been MIA from YouTube for like over a month. Over a month. Well, first, it's been a lot of things going on in my personal life. I started a new job, which has been great. Very appreciative and thankful for the opportunity that I have. So I started my new job April 9th. So it's pretty much the same hours I was working before, so that's not big of a deal, Monday through Friday. But it's still different because it's a smaller office and it's in the field that I went to school for. So just trying to adjust to that, and it's a farther commute for me. So I haven't really had time to focus on doing content, creating content and anything with YouTube. But it's still been on my mind. I just haven't had the chance. Here goes my little muffin. I know, say hi. Say hi. He's always got to come in and interrupt. So that has been like an adjustment in itself, as well as I've been having a lot more opportunities to do makeup for people. I've had a couple of weddings. I did a pageant. It's been a lot going on with doing freelance makeup. So that's been picking up a lot. I've been traveling doing that. It's been quite an adventure the last couple of months. I've been to South Carolina. My cousin just recently retired from the Army, which I'm so proud of her. I love you, Asada. So that, it's been like weekends back to back to back that I've been gone. Went to Richmond to see Lonnie B, who is a hoot. I enjoyed his show, loved his show. If you get a chance, he's actually on YouTube. I think it's Chat with Lonnie B is his YouTube handle. Check him out. If you have an opportunity to go to a show, look up his locations for his remaining shows and see if you can get in. A lot of them have been sold out. So we got our tickets early back in January. So that was just awesome. Such a excellent and empowering experience. So that was just what I needed. Just back and forth with my son. He's had a basketball tournament and some other things. They finally wrapped up basketball season. Thank God, because that has been very time consuming as well. And now we're getting ready to get him situated for his 5th grade graduation. My baby's going to be starting middle school. So that, it's been an amazing journey, and just kind of wrapping up the end of the school year. So we're gearing up for this promotion ceremony. So that's something else that I have going on. And then the big thing, I bought a new camera. So previously I've been filming on my iPad Air. I think I have the iPad Air 2. Yeah, iPad Air 2. I've been filming on my iPhone 6S. So I said, you know what? I got some income tax money. Why not, spend a little money on something that's going to be better quality. So I got the Canon, it's the T6i camera. I'm still trying to learn how to use it, y'all, so don't judge me. But and it was the video creator kit. They had it on sale at Best Buy. So it came with the camera body, the lens, which is my dog is making all kind of noise, which is the 18 by 55 millimeter lens, kit lens. So it came with that, and it also came with a Rode microphone, which is something I desperately needed. And it came with a SD card, a 32 gig SD card, so which is awesome. So the problem was, I had to learn how to use it. I did not know anything. I'm like so clueless when it comes to like cameras and stuff like that. I'm just like, and I started to get like a point and shoot camera, but since Best Buy had this deal where I could get the microphone and all that in one thing, it was a very good value too. So I was like, well, why not get that? But then it's like, okay, I have this camera. I've been like looking at it, trying to figure out how to use it. My dad has a Canon. His is a older model Canon, but it's very good. But he doesn't use his to do videos. Really, he mainly uses it for photography. So I'm like, and his is a different, model. So I'm like, okay, how in the hell do I get this thing started? Like, I have it. How do I get it started? So I had to watch some YouTube videos. Thank God for YouTube. So watch some videos, because when you read the manual, it's like, what? Like, okay, I know where this is. I mean, I've read the manual for certain things, but to actually do like videos and all that other stuff, I was just like, and I'm still trying to learn the camera. It's all foreign to me. So, but the videos on YouTube that I watched were very helpful. To hook up the microphone to the camera was very simple, thank God, because that would have been something else I would have had to watch a YouTube video on. But yeah, and I like the quality of it. I used it for the first time taking pictures of my son. He had a promotion ceremony from his after school program, and I took some pictures. I didn't do video, but I did pictures with it, and my dad was trying to show me how to set the aperture and all that. So those turned out excellent. So but this is my first time doing an actual video with it, so bear with me. I don't even know if this kit lens is the right lens for beauty videos and all of that, but I don't know. It's working out for me. I'm looking at myself in the monitor and it looks fine to me. But yeah, so that's pretty much what I've been up to, trying to educate myself on how to use this camera. It's very high tech. It has a lot of things to figure out that I haven't quite mastered yet. So hopefully I'll have that mastered at some point. But as long as I'm able to record, take a picture, that's awesome for right now. I'll figure out the rest of it later on down the line. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update on what's going on with me. Hope you guys are doing well. Drop down in the comments, let me know if y'all got anything new going on, any new surprises, things of that nature, life-changing events, any of that. So I look forward to hearing from everybody. But thank you so much for your time, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, peace.